welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some of my most worn closet staples. So I know we're like broaching the end of summer, but I still want to talk you through some of my favorite items that I've been loving this summer in case some of them are on killer sale and you can pick them up for the next summer or whatever. I did not get a chance to film a capsule wardrobe this season, but I promise for fall I'm going to plan accordingly and get it up for you guys. But I still wanted to share with you some of my pieces I've been loving. As you guys know from my capsule wardrobe videos though, I tend to carry over things from season to season. So some of these pieces I will still be wearing a ton during the fall. So I still want to share them with you. I'll just be styling them different and so on and so forth. So let's go ahead and jump in. I've got tops, dresses, and bottoms, shorts. This is only clothes, not shoes, nothing else. I plan to do, or I already have a summer shoe video up on my channel, so I will go ahead and throw that up in the cards in case you're curious to see what shoes I've been loving this summer. Again, that will be transitioning into the fall. So let's jump in. A lot of these are staple closet basics, very simple, very just my most reach for items that I've been wearing this summer. So let's dive in. Let's start with tops. So the first being these little ribbed crew. These are ribbed tanks. These are from the Abercrombie Soft AF Essentials. I have it in white and I also have it in gray, and I know they carry it in black as well. I want to say these are on sale for like $12.50. They're amazing. I was such a Target tank top girl for so long just because they were really affordable, but the quality in terms of the sheerness and how they like washed and wore just kind of changed over time. So I keep those mostly for like when I'm just walking outside, but these are my more like, I can wear these as an outfit sort of like throughout the day. Like I wear these because they're nicer quality. They're thicker, so they're not sheer, which I really enjoy because the Target one that I had in white was really sheer, so I couldn't really wear it. I mean, you would just see it raw. It's not a big deal, but I'm just saying it was sheer. So this is much thicker. I also like the rounded hem at the bottom versus a straight, and then they are tuckable, so I really like that. They have some ones that are cropped, but this one's a longer length, so I enjoy it because I can tuck it into high-waisted things, or I can wear it like laid out over like sweatpants or something, and I like the curved hem. I just think it's cute. So if you pick some of these up, I think these are great. You can obviously layer these into other seasons as well with like cardigans and whatnot, but the gray I wore last night and got stuff all over it, but the white and the gray have been my go-tos. Yeah, so if you are in the market for some good, just essential, basic ribbed tanks, definitely check out Abercrombie. I'm gonna have everything that I can link down in the description box down below, but then also on the YouTube shopping button. If you shop through the YouTube shopping button, sometimes they have some really good sales that they'll give you through shopping through that link. So check it out if you're interested to pick anything up. But let's go ahead and move into my button-ups. So I have so many button-ups. I've been thinking about doing a button-up collection video. Let me know what you guys think about that. I'm borderline obsessed with button-ups, but I brought in two more for this season that I've been wearing nonstop. So first being this little red striped one from Zara, and I'm pretty sure they still have this in stock, and they have it in like a blue and white stripe, and then they have it as solid white and a solid blue, and I'm contemplating getting the solid white just to do a little refresh. But I love Zara's button-ups. Zara, Abercrombie, and H&M are my favorite places to get button-ups, and this one is just so good. I feel like it screams summer. I wore this for 4th of July. You can accent with obviously blue and do like a very Americana theme, or you can just wear it where it doesn't have to be super themed. I thought I wouldn't wear this nearly as much as I do, and I'm obsessed with red because I've been seeing a lot of red leading into fall. So I know I'm gonna wear this a ton, just styled a bit differently with different bottoms, jeans, and stuff like that into the fall. So super excited to have this in my wardrobe. I get theirs in a size small. It's the perfect amount of oversize. I love the structure on this, the very like thick cuffs. I just think it's so cute. This also, to note, doesn't button all the way up, so it's kind of got that open look, which I really enjoy. So I have been wearing that nonstop. I've probably worn it like 20 times this summer. And to go with the button-up theme, I always pick up a new like white linen blouse into summer. Maybe not every year, but every other year, depending on how much I've worn it, how dingy it is. I don't get rid of them. I recycle them into swim cover-ups. So, because mine get like gnarly pit stains. Is that just me? Hopefully not. But anyway, I get it gets gross, okay? So they get put to swim cover-ups and I kind of like rotate through them. But I like a nice crispy white linen shirt. This one specifically is the boyfriend shirt from Old Navy. I loved this shirt. I, again, have worn it in more ways than I could ever imagine. I've been loving an all white look. I've been loving a very, that monochromatic look is so pretty, but then also just paired with a classic pair of denim. It's just, you cannot go wrong with it. It's just such a great closet staple basic, and it's to prove to you that you don't have to necessarily, just because they're closet basics, closet staples, doesn't mean you have to spend hundreds of dollars on them. That was probably like $20 at Old Navy, if that. I probably got it for like 10 because they're always doing amazing sales. So that is such a staple piece. This is still in really good shape that I will continue to wear that next year. It's held up very well, which I'm happy about. So absolutely love those two button-ups, and those have been staples this summer season amongst so many others, but I wanted to share and highlight those two because they're still, I'm gonna be wearing them into the fall. I don't know about the linen, but the red and white, yes, so good. Let's move on to bottoms. Let's start with shorts. So I have a couple pairs of shorts here. First one's being these little white linen shorts. I also own these in black. These are from H&M. I fell in love with linen like so much this summer. It was just like my I like fully embodied the very breezy, very light summer trends. I will throw up my summer linen lookbook that I did. I styled these shorts a million different ways. They're just so good, and I think I got over the fact that linen is sheer, and no matter what, if you have white linen, it's gonna be a little bit sheer, and that's okay. It is what it is, but I love the look of crispy white linen shorts. They're so good. These need to be ironed. Use starch with your linen. I swear it makes such a big difference, but these are just so cute, and I know I will wear these a ton in the spring as well. H&M has a ton of different colors of these as well. I don't know if they still have the white, but it's kind of like a bungee, a little bit in the back, and then it's got belt loops, which I loved pairing belts with them as well. Just so cute. Such a great basic staple. Again, really affordable. I love finding linen pieces at H&M. I feel like they do linen very well and very affordable, which is amazing. Next pair are these denim shorts. Unfortunately, I don't think this specific color is available anymore, but I'm pretty sure they have a like gray black pair, which would be nice transitioning into the fall. But these have been the perfect length of short for me. I fell in love with the dad shorts last year from Abercrombie, and I fully anticipated getting more this year. I still wear the heck out of them. I won't talk about them as much because they're not available for purchase, but I feel like the dad shorts that they came out with this year were like ripped in the booty, like underneath the butt cheek. Like they just weren't like a very classic look, and I fell in love with these when I found them. Zara's jeans are just so hard to like, I don't know, figure out. I'm a 6 in these, but these are like their loose fit. So I think that's the only reason why they fit, because typically I can never find Zara pants to work for me. But these are just perfection. They cinch into the waist, as you can tell. They kind of have like a tapered A-line sort of look to them. The length is just everything. It doesn't pinch in at the thighs. It's such a good length, and I've worn the heck out of these. They remind me a lot of my Madewell shorts too, which I don't think are available anymore. It's such a shame that like shorts like this don't stay in style. But when you can find them and snatch them up really fast. And this is something that I would recommend buying, even if you can get your hands on it, because you will love them next year, I promise. These are very, in my opinion, very comparable to the Agolde Parker Longs, which everyone's obsessed with. I tried them. They're good. I just don't think they're like worth that much. Like I feel like these are very similar. So if you are on the hunt and want a pair of longer shorts, definitely check out the Agolde if you can't find anything else. They are always like in stock, that style. but they're pretty pricey, so that's kind of annoying. Let's wrap up shorts with my comfy shorts. I have lived in these. I bought these in February, I want to say, like the end of February, these little gray sweat shorts from Abercrombie. Those are their vintage Sunday shorts, and I bought another pair. They're perfection. And I know, like, it's sweat shorts, like, whatever. I don't just wear these as lounge. I like pairing them with a button up and wearing them like out and about to run errands and like with some casual fun sneakers. I think it can be such a look, and it's super cute, and the fit of these is just very flattering in my opinion. I like that you can roll over the band or keep it straight up. It's got the pockets, and so I have the gray and I have the taupe. I definitely want to get the navy. They've been sold out for me, so I had to get the taupe this last time. They're just so buttery soft, and they're perfect with, like I said, button-ups, like oversized button-ups with the sweatshorts. I feel like it gives like that very polished look with a very casual look, or with a graphic tee or a tank or anything like that. These are so good, and I've washed and worn these a million times. I also have the matching sweatshirt in this, but these I just got in the bottoms. I basically live in these when I'm like lounging around the house, but I also can throw on a different top and transition it to streetwear, I guess you could call it. So good. I also just picked up a pair of sweatpants from them as well. Yes, so stinking good. All right, let's move on to bottoms that aren't shorts. So I knew I wanted more of like a cropped ankle style fit of light jeans for this summer, and I tried Levi. Honestly, I just did not have great luck with Levi. I felt like my thighs are too big. Like, I don't know, I just felt like I didn't find a fit that I really loved. So I ended up returning those, and I went to my Old Faithful, but this I did a little bit different. So I love the 90s high-rise straight, whatever they're called, ultra high-rise 90s straight from Abercrombie, and I normally get the 26 regular length, but I got the shorts so that it would fit me a bit more cropped, and I loved this light wash denim. I feel like it's the perfect, very like casual, very like beachy, washed, worn in denim, and this fits me so nicely in the waist, and it has some stretch so my thighs aren't like dying, you know? I love the look of rigid denim, but it doesn't quite fit my body the way that it used to. So denim that looks rigid, by rigid I mean it looks like denim, not like a jegging, you know what I mean? But has some stretch to it, has been like my best friend. So absolutely love these, and I've worn them so many times. I also bought them in a medium wash in the cropped fit as well. And I'm saying this, that I still will wear these into the fall because I think they'll look cute with some socks and like my Birkenstocks or something like that, as like an option to bring these into the fall. So I think it's fun to pair like fuzzy, warm wool socks with these, so you still see them peeking out, and I think these will continue to transition into the fall with me, and I've been in love with them. So if you find a pair of jeans that you absolutely love but you wish they were cropped, just get the short, and yeah, it's really cute. Okay, I have a receipt in here from, what did I spend $65 on? Oh, at Lowe's. Oh yeah, this was from when we got a bunch of flowers. Anyway, I know I've worn them since then, so apparently it never fell out. Okay, overalls. I did a whole styling video on overalls, and I think they're just so cute and very, I don't know, just super fun and easy to wear. They're like a dress but pant form. Like you can, it's like throwing on this is like the only thing you need, but it's like you are equipped to do anything. I love pairing these with my Converse, with my Vans, with my clogs, my Birkenstocks. They just go with so many different shoe options that I have. These are from Abercrombie. These are their, I want to say they're their boyfriend. I don't know exactly what they are. They're wider legged. I got these in a size small. These fit so good. They're very loose and baggier in the leg, but they have a cinched in waist look, so they don't make you look super frumpy. They're very long though, so I tend to cuff them. That's my only complaint, is they're kind of like at a weird length. So I just cuff them. It's not a problem. I think that's a cute look as well. It gives that very farmer look, and I love them. They're fully light wash, or like a medium light wash with no rips in them, which I wanted. And yeah, I've always had a pair of overalls in my wardrobe, like no matter what, from years. I have had gone through shorts overalls, pants overalls, skirt overalls, all of it. but I just wanted a good classic pair and I hadn't had one in forever. So I decided to grab those, and yeah, I've been living in them this summer. So those are definitely going to be transitioning probably into fall and again into spring. Probably not a huge winter item, but for those off seasons, I think that they're awesome. And summer here is warm, but there are some days where it's not super hot, so you can get away with wearing pants still quite a few times. All right, let's finish off with the last category I have, which is dresses. I'm become more into dresses, but I still really wanted to just talk about the two that I've been living in. I've been wearing and picking up so many dresses, but the ones that I've worn multiple times this summer, have been on repeat, can be styled so many ways, and I know I'm going to be bringing one of them into the fall. I wanted to talk about them. So the first being this Everlane little tank dress. I did a full Everlane haul. I will throw it up in the cards where I got this, and I love this dress. It is such a basic classic silhouette. It is such nice quality. It's kind of like a creamy off-white color, and I have loved pairing this so many different ways this summer. It can be worn so basic, so casual just by itself with some sandals, or it can be dressed up, which I've done for like a night out dinner sort of thing. I mean, night out, you know what I mean? Like a very casual, but still like such a cute classic fit. And I'm so happy that I picked this up. Picking up silhouettes that I know will be in my wardrobe forever. Like, this is just such a good quality, super nice fit. I love the way this fits on my body, and how many different ways I was able to style it is the biggest thing for me. Like, when I'm bringing in new pieces, I want to make sure, like, can you make multiple outfits out of this, or is it just cute because you think it's cute? You know what I mean? So this was one of those pieces that totally surprised me, and I've been wearing it a ton, and I love Everlane. And then last but not least is a very casual dress. This is the Halara athletic dress. I love Halara athletic dresses. They are my absolute favorite, but specifically this poinsettia color. I just recently got this and I've already worn it 10 times. Like, not kidding you. It's so good. It's got the built-in shorts, adjustable straps. The fit of this is immaculate. It like hits you at all the right places. It's perfection. The perfect summer dress. And I own it in so many different colors, and I don't think I ever want to stop wearing Halara athletic dresses. They are by far my favorite brand that makes athletic dresses, and it's such a good fit, specifically this style. So I also have a coupon code with them. This part is not sponsored, but they offer me a code, so I will go ahead and leave it on the screen, as well as all the details will be in the description box down below. So that's it. Those are all of my summer closet staples that I've been wearing on repeat this season. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Again, I know it's almost fall, and I will have more fall fashion content coming very soon, but I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you all in my next video very soon.